Looking for mystery books that feel like a warm blanket? On Simplified Reads, here are 5 cozy mystery series you'll love. Calm, clever, and perfect for a quiet weekend. One series that never fails to bring comfort is the #1 Ladies Detective Agency by Alexander McCall Smith. Set in Botswana, it follows a kind and clever woman named Precious Ramitswe. She opens her own detective agency to help people in her community with their everyday problems. The cases aren't violent. They're thoughtful, sometimes funny, and always full of life and wisdom. Readers love Precious because she's smart, warm, and grounded. The story shows everyday challenges with kindness and care, which is what makes it such a calming, satisfying read. It's also beautifully written, with African culture and tradition softly woven into every case. If you're an animal lover, try The Cat Who series by Lilian Jackson Braun. It stars Jim Quillerin, a quiet newspaper reporter who moves to a small town with his 2 Siamese cats. But these aren't just any cats. They seem to sense trouble and often lead him straight to clues. The crimes are never too scary, and the townsfolk are full of charm. Readers love the soft pace and the clever mix of mystery and humor. It's like listening to your wise neighbor tell stories, except there's always a clever cat involved. This series is great for those who want fun, relaxing mysteries with lovable characters and a feline twist. For something with a bit more sparkle, check out Her Royal Spyness by Rhys Bowen. It's about Lady Georgiana, a young royal in 1930s England who has no money and lots of curiosity. Even though she's supposed to be acting proper and keeping up appearances, she keeps finding herself involved in murder cases and royal scandals. It's funny, light, and a little fancy, with just the right amount of mystery and mischief. People love how smart and awkward Georgie is, and how she always manages to get into trouble while trying to do the right thing. If you like a little history and humor in your mysteries, this series is for you. Next is a Hannahinson Mystery by Joanne and Fluke. This series combines mystery and baking into one delicious read. Hannah runs a bakery and keeps stumbling upon crimes in her small town. The best part? Each book includes real recipes that tie into the story. So you're not just solving a mystery, you're also getting ideas for cookies, pies, and cakes. Readers love Hannah because she's relatable, determined, and always curious. The tone is soft and friendly, and while the crimes are real, they're never frightening. If you like the idea of comfort food and comforting mysteries in one place, you'll love this series. Last but not least, don't miss the Aurora Teagarden Mysteries by Charlaine Harris. Aurora is a small-town librarian who's part of a club called Real Murders, where they discuss famous crime cases. But when real crimes start happening in her quiet town, she finds herself using her book smarts to solve them. These books are gentle but intriguing, and Aurora is both smart and charming. Many people know the name because of the Hallmark movies, but the books go even deeper into her quiet courage and curious mind. They're perfect for readers who love a main character who's shy, smart, and keeps finding herself in mystery whether she wants to or not. These cozy mystery series prove that you don't need fear or gore to keep a story exciting. Sometimes all you need is a clever puzzle, warm-hearted characters, and a world that feels safe. Whether it's cats, cookies, royalty, or librarians, there's a cozy mystery out there for you. Let us know which one you'd love to start with, or if you've already read any of them. On Simplified Reads, we make books feel easy, friendly, and fun. Subscribe for more comforting stories, helpful book tips, and new titles you'll love every week.